feel so fortunate and so grateful that we have the support of the Chumash people today, and we share that with you too. We give you our support. We're very proud of the way that you kept the culture alive. You're keeping the language alive. You're keeping the dances and the songs alive. These things is what makes people people. And you're a great example. Thank you so much. Oh, Babe, yes, Babe. Mary Mendoza, thank you so much. Mary is very important to our circle, our Sweat Lodge circle, because when we set up in the Sadikoi area, what we always do when we go into any area is go to the local Chumash and ask their permission. Can we do this? Do you mind if we build a place where we can get in circle and do ceremony? We asked their permission. We went to Babe. She so graciously not only gave us our permission, but she also sent people our way. And we have a great relationship with the Chumash now because of Babe.
Let your children be proud who they are. Never be embarrassed or stand back. You stand forward and you stand for yourself. You need to tell your children that. They need to know the truth of everything. That is my goal. Before I leave this world, I need to work with kids, let them know adults are behind you all the way. Don't be afraid. Stand up for yourselves. Respect your elders. Respect your brothers and sisters. Respect, number one, yourselves. You need to respect yourself before you can go and do it to somebody else. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Judy. Like Tomas said, I'm on the board of the SIP Foundation. First year at being on the board, and it means a lot to me because knowing the fact that we all collaborate together and bringing our tradition to up afloat and able to invite other Indigenous families and friends to be able to support and be able to go ahead and move forward with this this mission that we have here with the SIP Foundation. And it's really important not only to me but to our next generation coming up, and as we are the teachers of our next generation, which is our children and grandchildren.
Lastly, if you have a message for the next 7 generations, what would it be?
Step up and learn everything that your elders have to be that teach you, and that way you can take it and apply it, because drumming, singing, prayer, ceremony, and supporting your elders is very important. Right. And always have respect.
Hey, haku haku relatives. Auntie Judy putting it down right here.
Kakinani.
Kakinani.
Thank you.
Marcos, can you tell us a little bit about the ceremonies you've been involved with and a little bit how you know SIP?
Well, SIP is an incredible organization, so necessary in our communities. They provide important opportunities for ceremony for Mexica people, but even more broadly. But the way I've seen it, it is providing a really important service to Mexicanos, Chicanos, to get more in touch with our indigenous heritage and providing us opportunities to pray in a good way. And it's going to continue to grow, I'm sure. But so happy to be part of the circle in support of SIP, and look forward to seeing more events like this, cultural events where we're all sharing the important cultura of our ancestors. Including earlier we had mujeres Chumash women presenting, and it was inspiring. So again, kudos to SIP, and I just hope that we can continue to grow and do good work.
Tell us a little bit about your role as a firekeeper.
My role as a firekeeper is to keep that fire pure and aligned with Great Spirit, and also helping the women and the men stay in their prayer.
If you have a message for the next 7 generations, what would it be?
To keep that fire alive, not only the physical fire, but the inner fire, the fire that in your belly that keeps you going, the fire of the heart that keeps, our ancestors alive and keeps that fire alive for those ones who come.
Thank you. I appreciate it.